I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the messenger words that skew perception: names, titles, source labels. Once done, extract those terms from the text or transcript and keep the core message intact. Make sure to store removed tokens in a map so you can restore context if needed. Then replace them with neutral replacement tokens or anonymized identifiers. This reduces automatic bias, and it begins the neutralization process while preserving meaning for downstream steps. Now apply the replacements consistently across the entire document and any associated metadata. Use pattern matching with context windows to handle variations like possessives and titles, and run a pass to fix pronouns and agreement. Once done, perform semantic validation to ensure the original intent remains clear. You are removing messenger cues, not content. If automation misses cases, do a manual pass to correct edge cases and keep conversational flow natural. Finish by reintegrating only necessary context while maintaining anonymity for messenger words you intended to remove. Then audit the results with blind tests or third-party reviewers to confirm the message reads neutrally. If you encounter errors, misgendering, broken references, or lost meaning, revert to the token map you saved and reapply targeted fixes. Make sure to iterate. Refining replacements and validation will ensure the message is neutral without sacrificing clarity or intent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.